In this video, I'll show you how to add the Base network to MetaMask. First, open the MetaMask app or extension and sign into your wallet. From the home screen, tap or click the network selector at the top of the screen. Now, select Add Network. If you're using the MetaMask extension, you may need to click Add a Custom Network. Next, enter the Base network details. For the network name, enter Base. For the RPC URL, enter https://mainnet.base.org, https://mainnet.base.org. For the chain ID, enter 8453. For the currency symbol, enter ETH. Finally, for the block explorer URL, enter https://basescan.org, https://basescan.org. After that, review the information to make sure everything is correct, then click or tap Save. Now, MetaMask will automatically switch to the Base network. You can verify this by checking that Base appears in the network selector at the top of your wallet. Finally, you're ready to send, receive, or use tokens and decentralized apps on the Base network. Just remember to keep some ETH on Base in your wallet to pay for network transaction fees. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add the Base network to MetaMask. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.